Jean-Luc.
How does it feel being back on track?
It's deja vu all over again, like Yogi Berra said. You know, it's didn't we just do this like 30 years ago? Yeah, it's lovely. It's really lovely, and I'm so excited to see it.
What can fans expect from Star Trek Picard?
I think they can expect something that's Star Trek, but it's not TNG. It's a little darker, but I think because of the times we're living in, you know, Star Trek was always a reflection of the times. In the 60s, they dealt with the issues that were, you know, happening in the 60s. We did a little morality play every now and then, you know, and I think because the times are so different now, we needed something that actually reflected what's happening in the world.
What can you tell us about what we see between the relationship between you and Riker?
Well, let's just say I think the fans will be really happy.
Good, I'm so pleased.
Yeah, me too.
Congratulations on the season 2 confirmation before season 1 has even aired. Can we expect to see you in season 2?
Well, you know, again, I'd have to kill you if I told you. So, I can't say anything. It's they guard everything like the nuclear codes. Actually, probably better than the nuclear codes right now. But we won't get political. Anyway.
Finally, what were some of the challenges that you had to addressing your character again so many years later?
Not really. No challenges really. She's just 20 years older. I'm 20 years older. She's so in my DNA now that I just open my mouth and it's her.